Ladies and gentlemen, we keep getting caught up in the new tech, but I want to talk about the old ways. Maybe some of the tools that time forgot. This is an old school Black& Decker catalog utility U2, and I'm not talking the band. We're looking at Freedom Units electric drill kit. Now, clean this thing up a little bit, but it's been sitting for a solid dime. So imagine back in the day the user experience you would get for this. You would buy this, you would take damn good care of it because this thing was made to last. You'll notice a lot of the old stuff from back in the day was really hardcore, like the original phones, super hardcore, and that's because these things legitimately just needed to last. There are some places in the States, a bit further south too. Geez, I know a buddy in Thailand had the problem where gaming hardware only lasted for about 2 years, 3 years before it started dying out. Geez, what does that say? Line dots. Geez, they give you all of the information on these things, which is another beautiful thing about all these. Actually, before I get any further, if someone doesn't mind explaining what might be going on here, because I think it came like this. No ground plug. I've seen a lot of older houses with no ground plug, and I realized this is an adapter. When I pop this off, oh, me gusta! This is 110 volt. Come on, autofocus. Show us what we need to know. You got all the giblets. These days would give you stuff that was fabric and put everything away, but I bet the rubber they give you these days wouldn't last as long as this stuff. Holy crud, the stuff's from way back in the day. Way back in the day, when Black& Decker was an awesome name. Yeah. I'm not saying it's not a great name now. I mean, Black & Decker's pretty much just, oh, you know, a house name. You're going to use it now and then, but you're not going to be making a lot of money off of it. Okay, so this is a super meaningful thing right here. We don't get these so much anymore. Louis Rossman told me about this stuff. Eli, the computer guy, told me about this stuff where you would just open things up and you would find they have all the specs right there. These days they hide these things from you, which is a terrible and disgusting things. They hide these things from us so that we can't fix it, so that they have to fix it. John Deere is bad for that. All of a sudden your stuff will die. If you're a farmer, you just need to get that stuff going. John Deere's trying to take all of the value from all of this fun stuff. Yeah. Anyways, here I go, just ranting on. But legitimately, back in the day, things were different. And this just proves it. Things were built better. I'm not saying they lasted forever. This thing still does work, but it sounds like it's got a weird run out problem. So the hairs of the motor probably need to get tuned up a little bit, and then it'll be great. Yeah. Are you ready? Oh, and then it starts to smell like antique trains that haven't been used in 50 years. You know what else it sounds like? The bad fan on my new inverter. You're supposed to be new. Stop it. I mean, like, at least my Black & Decker has an excuse. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Nev from Nev's Tech. That's legit. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. I really appreciate it. If you like this content about old stuff, hit me up. Let me know. Man, I love it when the wind blows through the trees like that. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?